The first thing you notice with this monitor is just how commanding it is on your desk. 40 inches of curved display that instantly changes the way you approach work, creativity, and multitasking. It's the kind of screen that doesn't just show content, it redefines the way you interact with it. The ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio is immediately noticeable. It's like having 2 or even 3 monitors without the gaps or bezels breaking up your workspace. Applications, timelines, documents, or spreadsheets can sit side by side without feeling cramped. Once you experience this kind of space, everything else feels tiny. The resolution is WUHD, giving you extreme clarity across the entire display. Every detail in text, images, and videos is sharp. Content creation becomes more precise because the monitor provides a true representation of colors and contrast. For designers, editors, or anyone who works with visual content, it's hard to overstate how valuable this is. The curvature is subtle but meaningful. It wraps just enough around your field of view to make longer sessions comfortable. No constant head turning, no fatigue from scanning across the screen. It's a more natural, immersive experience. It's the kind of curve that starts to feel like it's a part of your workspace rather than an accessory. Design is understated but premium. The thin bezels make the screen feel almost borderless, while the raven black finish and sturdy stand give it a modern, professional look. It's a monitor that blends seamlessly with almost any setup, whether it's a clean, minimalist desk or a high-powered creative station. The built-in webcam is a small but significant detail. It sits at the top of the display without disrupting the design, giving you high-quality video for meetings or streaming. No extra attachments, no clutter, just a clean, professional solution for remote work or calls. Connectivity is where this monitor really excels. With USB-C, a single cable can handle display, data, and power simultaneously. That simplicity is powerful, especially for those who switch between laptops and desktops or want a cleaner, cable-free desk. Multitasking on this monitor feels intuitive and natural. You can divide the screen into multiple workspaces, run different apps side by side, and finally feel organized rather than overwhelmed. Whether coding, editing, trading, or managing documents, this monitor creates the kind of efficiency that a normal display simply can't. Color accuracy and consistency are also excellent. The panel reproduces colors faithfully, which is essential for photo and video editing. Textures, gradients, and shadows appear true to life, giving professionals confidence in their work. This monitor is clearly designed for serious users. It's not just about size. It's about creating a workspace that feels productive, immersive, and clean. For anyone looking to elevate their desk setup, this display makes a tangible difference in workflow, efficiency, and comfort. Once you experience the screen real estate and clarity of a 40-inch curved ultrawide, going back to standard monitors feels limiting. Every app, window, and tool feels more accessible, more natural, and more immersive. It's not just a monitor. It's a workspace upgrade in one sleek package. For those who care about a professional, clean, and high-performing setup, this monitor delivers. It's more than just a display. It's a productivity tool, a creative canvas, and an essential part of a modern desk setup. If you want to buy the Lenovo ThinkVision P40w-20 40-inch curved ultrawide monitor, check out the link in the description below and take your workspace to the next level.